Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Mi portable Bluetooth speaker. This is a 16-watt speaker from Xiaomi. There is a lot of information on this box. You can tell what the speakers are going to look like. It has this nice mesh design on it. There are also some added information. This is a true wireless speaker, which means it can be connected over Bluetooth. And it also comes with dual equalizers, has 13 hours of playback time. It has IPX7 dust and water resistance. And it also has voice activation and built-in mic. More or less the same information on this side, and also on this you have package contents written over here as well. Now let's open this box and take a look inside. Now this is it. This is what you find inside the box. I will give you a better look at the Bluetooth speakers. This is the black variant, and basically this is what you find inside the box. There is a smaller box as well. Let's empty that. This is a user manual, and you will have a charging cable. There you go. First up we have the Mi portable Bluetooth speaker, the 16-watt user manual. You should read it at least once. And we also have a C-type charger for this particular Bluetooth speaker. Let's take a look at the speaker. There is this nice cloth texture on top. This is not the lightest of speakers. It weighs probably a kilo. The center has this matte black finish. You will find all your inline remote controls right over here, including the volume rockers, Bluetooth pairing mode, and the power button as well. There are two anti-slip stops underneath, so you can place this particular speaker like so, but you can also place it in a vertical manner like this. Speaking of which, there is a flap right over here. Let's see what's underneath. So we have a 3.5 mm jack and a USB-C type port right over here. Finally, there is a lanyard for carrying this particular speaker around. Where is the power button? So this is the power button. I'm going to press it and turn it on.
Power on. Bluetooth pairing.
So now this device has entered pairing mode, and in another video I'll show you how to pair this particular speaker to a smartphone. But this is basically what you find inside the box containing the Mi portable Bluetooth speaker. Thank you for watching.